Your title and meta description are what usually show up when your page appears on Google. This is a really important step because it's sometimes the only shot you have to grab the attention of those who are searching, and it's used heavily by Google to determine if your page is relevant enough to show up as a result. So for each page, where do we set our title and meta description? In this lesson, we're going to cover where to set our title and meta description. Let's start with title. Let's open up our Pages panel and we'll click to go into the settings on any page. What we're focusing on is SEO settings, and whatever we type in here, we can see a search result preview down below. The title, that's simple. It's often used as the title in search results. A lot of people will recommend keeping this clean and relevant and human and under 60 characters total. That's title. Meta description isn't always used in results. Sometimes Google will show a snippet from the web page that contains the search term that someone typed into Google. But if your meta description does show up, it can really help convince people to click through to your page, especially if it's relevant and compelling and other favorable adjectives. It's also worth noting that while there's no length limit here, search engines might truncate descriptions which go on for a really long time, like this sentence is going to if our audio editor Dale doesn't make a In both fields, title and meta description, it's important to resist the urge to stuff these with keywords to try and rig search results. Remember, Google ignores and in some cases penalizes deceptive practices. Now, if you have a collection page in your project, you can actually go into the page settings and pull text from that collection. So in our blog post here, we can use the name field, the name of the blog post, pulling it straight from our collection. And for meta description, we can add a field referencing our blog post summary. Now, you can combine fields and even type custom text to work with these fields. They're like variables which you can switch between so you can preview all your collection items. And that is how to add a title and meta description as you update or prepare to launch your project.